Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So for today's tutorial, I'm super excited for 3 reasons. One, our friends over at Firefly Craft sent us some vinyl to work with for this project, and not only did they send me vinyl, they also sent you guys some vinyl. So today will be a tutorial and a giveaway. I'll have the details on how to enter and win, as well as everything I used for this project in the description box below. So if you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more awesome content and follow me on Instagram.
Alright guys, let's get into this vinyl that we'll be using today from our friends over at Firefly Craft. The first thing I noticed was the box that the vinyl came in. It has instructions on how to cut your vinyl and how to press your vinyl, and it lists like several different machines because every machine has different cut settings. And I really appreciated that because I can't tell you how many times I had to Google what temp to press glitter vinyl or holographic vinyl or whatever, but they have it listed for glitter, holographic, regular. They have a nice variety of vinyl, so I appreciated the fact that they had that listed. And then on the other side, they give you a step-by-step guide on how to use their vinyl anyway. And the sheets that they sent me are 12 by 20 sheets. I believe they only sell 12 by 20 sheets. Very nice color selection, very nice variety. Okay, so now to begin with our project, we're just going to start with the blank canvas in design space. And I'm just searching through the Cricut images for a basketball because the theme of this milestone blanket is going to be sportsy. So now that I have my basketball, I'll go ahead and use the varsity font. I chose the varsity font because it is a layered font and it goes with my sportsy theme that I'm trying to do. Now my letters should have been 20 inches wide, but my pregnancy brain, you guys, made me make it 12 inches wide, which was too short. So I really wanted it to cover the whole blanket, but when I changed it to 12 inches, it could only cover a small section. So don't be like me, okay? Make it at least 20 inches wide so it can at least kind of cover the middle part of the, just kind of go across the whole blanket, okay? And as far as my numbers go, the dimensions on my numbers are 2 by 64 by 4, okay? And then once I have everything all designed how I want to, I'll go ahead and send it to my Cricut machine. I'll put my settings on Iron On Plus. And guys, don't be like me because I forgot again to mirror my image, okay? I was so mad I just cut my machine off and went to bed. So once you cut everything out, setting on Iron On Plus, and you mirror your image, we're just going to go ahead and weed it. And this vinyl weeds very good. I didn't have any problems weeding it. It was actually really easy. So I'll weed it, and then I'll just go ahead and cut out the numbers and things individually using my paper trimmer. Once everything is cut, I'll just group it all together, and then I'll just go ahead and pre-press my baby blanket using my easy press. And this is the first model, not the second one. Now the directions on the box says that my pressing temperature should be 305 degrees, and I should press for about 10 to 15 seconds. So this is a layered project, okay? So when you layer, you don't want to press the bottom layer for too long. You really just want to press it enough just so it comes off the transfer sheet, because if you press it too long and too hard, it will shrink and then your designs won't match up exactly, okay? So I pressed my orange layer just enough for it to come off the transfer sheet, and then when I put the black on top, I pressed for about 30 seconds. Then once I finished getting all my numbers together, I just folded the blanket in half to get some crease lines, and that's where I placed my basketball. And that was it. I didn't have any problems. This project turned out super cute. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.